I'm Avantik. I've started my PhD at the Melbourne Law School, and I am a part of the Melbourne node of the ADM+S. When we look at Article 18 or the right to freedom of thought, the question of what is thought has not clearly been explained anywhere, because it has always been inferred that thoughts are per se protected and no one can breach the forum internum, which is the sacred space of the mind. Now, if we look at the past, the mind was certainly impenetrable because technology did not exist in that point in time. From that space, we are moving towards an understanding where the mind is certainly vulnerable because of emergent technology. Now, the right to freedom of thought, there are 4 components to it. One is that I should not be forced to reveal my thought. There are particular scholars who say that digital interaction should be construed as information. Therefore, my interactions in the digital world should be construed as my thoughts. And as soon as we construe them to be my thoughts, the idea of inference which the algorithm draws from my digital interactions would be a vitiation of my right to freedom of thought, because then it would reveal my thoughts. The second question is, I should not be punished for my thoughts. Let's say the state gets involved in my digital interactions. For example, if I've been liking a few pages which is not particularly conducive to the status quo of the state, there could be a situation where the state comes after me. The third is that I should not be forced to change my thoughts. Let's say I am an individual who likes consuming non-vegetarian food. There are instances when newsfeed for Facebook or Instagram, etc., could constantly bombard me with animal cruelty videos, subconsciously altering my thoughts, and that should not be allowed. And the fourth component is the state's obligation to provide me a positive atmosphere for thought cultivation. My research focuses on trying to delineate the idea of what thoughts mean when we study freedom of thought, so as to guide the future of technology and in order to also keep our semblance of autonomy together for the sake of critical thinking and for the sake of the future of democracy.